tractor. What's up, Barbara? Okay. And you heard it from the mouth himself. From no. Alright. Hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life at JAlly Farms. Today, what we got going, last night we had a ice snowstorm. Well, not really a storm, but you know, we got a light dusting of ice and snow on the ground. The thing is, it is going to be around here for a while. It's not getting above freezing for the actually really above 20 for the next 10 days or so. And in fact, next weekend it'll be in the negatives for the low, but the highs will be maybe about 10. So let's go around, check out some trees, and we'll see you in a minute. All right. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you our balsam firs, and let's see if I can't get a little close up on it. That's about as close as. Hey guys, sorry about that. My audio seems to be messing up. It's probably because of cold weather. It's been in the teens and stuff all week. So we had this snow that you see here. We got that like 5 days ago, and that's how it is. Half an inch of snow, and it's lasted 5 days. Close up one. Here's the close up one. Most of them look like this already. Let me see if I can back out a little bit, and maybe I won't be too shaky on this, but if it is, I'll just skip to the next section. Yeah. Okay, these are balsam firs. We've had a lot of cold air coming through here the last couple of days. It's been below freezing, and then we get this. And then we get this. We were kind of hoping for the ground to freeze for most of the winter, but I guess it didn't do that. Now these right here, these are Fraser firs, and as you can see, they're doing pretty well. Some of them are leaning over a little bit. We've had a lot of wind before, you know, the cold air came in, but I'm not going to straighten them up just yet. I'm going to wait till it warms up a little bit and the ground thaws out. I don't want to chance breaking anything. Okay, guys, and over here are our Douglas firs, and they are sticking up. I guess when I take these, they seem to be looking better, or the video anyway, looking better at this time of year than, say, in the summer. And it seems like we're getting some wind, so sorry about that. Okay guys, these are our white spruce, and they are 4 years old, 4 or 5 years old. I can't really remember what I ordered, but I don't order anything under 4 years old, or I try not to anyway, unless I actually absolutely have to. So they have a tree shortage this year, and I'm lucky to get 4-year-old trees this year. So yeah. Now here's a close up of one of our white spruces. It's doing really well, and as you can see, the snow and ice have put a covering over it. And Arvin's afraid that, oh, the trees are gonna die, and I'm like, no, the trees love this kind of weather. Okay, so yeah, they're raised up in the mountains, or grown in the mountains. That's their normal breeding ground. And what I'm about to do here for the first time ever, this, well, not ever, but this, well, ever is the next thing I'm going to say, but this area is the pond that goes, or the creek area that goes from the pond on the other side of the yard. And yeah, we have that tire in here. We're kind of hoping when the city comes, or if the city comes to dig the ditch, they will take that tire with them. Here, if we dispose of a tire, it's going to cost some money, or like $10. So we're hoping that they could do it. We'll save a buck or two. So what I'm planning on doing, I'm planning on, for the first time ever since we've been here, pretty much, I mean, I think there was a week or two where we could do it, but I am planning on walking across our creek. Usually this place would be so muddy you couldn't get anywhere. Even when we have a drought, it's fairly muddy and you still gotta watch where you're walking. But yeah, I'm able to walk across it. It's frozen, the ground's frozen. Probably about 2 to 4 inches of frozen area on the ground. Now these are Norway spruces, and some of those are crooked too, or bent over. Like I said, we had a lot of wind before this, so I'm going to, once it warms up a little bit and the ground thaws out, I'm going to be straightening these up. In the next couple of days anyway, we're gonna have a pretty good amount of snow, and it has been cold and frozen and everything else for the last 10 days, maybe 12. And these are our, I think these are the Austrian, Scotch pines. Yeah, these are the Scotch pines over there, and some of them have made it from last year. And we just planted some more about maybe 3 months ago. And these are the Austrian pines right here. And there's a close-up of one. That one is a new one. We just planted that one. These are two-year-old pines right there. And some of these, you can see the taller ones, they have been here since last year. So we're considering those three-year-old pine. Now the Scotch pines that we planted last year, which were these right here, we have maybe 10 of them that made it from last year, so we're really happy about those. And they're looking really well and really good, and I hope these have a better chance, because we used the auger this time to plant these, so we're hoping they have a lot of loose soil to grow their roots in and everything else like that. And guys, until next time, live it, love it, share it, and we'll see you next time here at JAlly Farms.